3 simple ways to make a PLR package unique. Probably the most important factor for being successful with PLR or private label rights products is customizing it in one or more ways to make it unique. If your audience can't identify it as being the same offer as another marketer who also picked up the rights, you won't need to worry about competition so much. In this article, we're going to look at 3 ways that you can make your PLR more unique. Graphics. Probably the easiest way to make it unique to your visitor's eyes is to create new graphics for it. That means new e-covers and sales page graphics in the case of an ebook or other info product, new headers or theme graphics for website templates, etc. You can do this yourself if you're comfortable with graphic design, or you can outsource it. Sites like Fiverr.com and the Warriors for Hire section on the Warrior Forum have plenty of people who can do this type of work for relatively low cost. The few dollars you spend on new graphics can pay you back many times over. Format. Another way you can customize your PLR is by repurposing the content into other formats. You could create a video and/or audio version of an ebook, for example. These types of changes can add a lot of value to a package, and if someone's comparing your offer to another marketer who's selling the same PLR, that additional content will usually convince them to buy from you. You could even go a step further and create a home study course out of a digital product. Videos can be transferred onto DVD, ebooks turned into hard copy books, and so on. This will often take a package that might sell for $27 to $47 in digital form and make it into one that can sell for $197 to $297 in physical form. Bundling. Bundling several PLR packages together into a larger, more complete offer can also be quite effective. They should be related to the same general topic, and ideally they would complement each other in some way. This is more than just offering another package as a bonus, mind you. It's really combining 2 or more PLR packages into a single larger package that covers a wider range of information. Of course, you can also combine 2 or all 3 of these ideas to really make your offer unique. If you combine 2 or 3 PLR packs into a single product, have new website graphics made, and then offer an upsell for a physical version, you could make some serious money.